All right, everybody. I just thought I'd stop in for a second to let you all know. I've been out here working in the shop and kind of working on a honey Christmas present, I guess you could say. We've had this for a little bit. It's just now being able to get around to it. So I thought I'd show you some of the things that I've got accomplished so far, which I didn't realize there was as many staples in this thing as they were. So let me show you what I've been working on. I've been working on this old church pew that we'd got, and you can see that I've got down to here, stripping all of the old fabric off and the foam off of it. But I'll tell you right now, they didn't intend for that fabric and foam to come off, for sure. Now, I still got quite a bit left. But now that I got it started, it shouldn't be too bad to pop it out the rest of the way off, and then if I miss any staples, get them. But I thought you'd get a kick out of me going to restore this old church pew.